Greeting everyone in the name of Jesus Christ. Today I'm going to make banana bread with coconut flour and almond flour. I'm going to start my oven 350 Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to add inside my bowl 1 cup of coconut flour. Next, I have 1 cup of almond flour. Next, I have ground flax seeds, 1/4 cup. And I have 4 bananas. Now I'm going to add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. The brown sugar have 30 calories. I was going to add coconut sugar, but the coconut have 40 calories, so I decided to add the brown sugar. I also have 1 cup of butter. It's plant-based on plant butter. And I also have 2 eggs. And now I'm going to add salt, 1/4 teaspoon salt with my flours, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. With my flour, and I'm gonna crack my egg and put with my butter, and I'm going to add also my brown sugar, and I'll mix it now. Now I peeled my bananas, and I'm going to mash them. And I also put butter inside my baking pan. Now I mix my flour and my 1 teaspoon of my baking soda and the salt. I mix all in together. Now I'm going to add my banana inside my mixture. I mix it. Now I'm going to put my flour into my mixture. mix it all together, but don't over mix it so it doesn't be like tough. I see my mixture is kind of dry. So I add 1/4 cup of water. Put inside my baking pan. I'm just make sure I just flat the mixture just, and that's the waves look like now. Now I baked it and it tastes really good. I really love the taste, and the taste is really good. So my son, he was sleeping and he woke up, he said, "Oh, that thing smells good. What's that, Mama? Please give me some." So I gave him some. Please enjoy and subscribe. God bless you all. In Jesus Christ's name.